around him blew. Humpty Dumpty, so bold, so bright, dreaming of wonders beyond the night. But the wall's a place both high and steep, a careful balance he must keep. Humpty said, Sparrow perched by his side, why not come down, take a safer ride? The ground is firm, the grass is green, there's more to life than what you've seen. But Humpty laughed and shook his shell. The wall's my home where I excel, the heights my joy diffuse, my muse to leave this spot I must refuse. Humpty Dumpty, so bold, so bright, dreaming of wonders beyond the night. But the wall's a place both high and steep, a careful balance he must keep. The great fall one windy day, the sky turned gray, the wall shook hard in a storm's fierce sway. Humpty wobbled, he tried to hold tight, but down he tumbled from his lofty height. He hit the ground with a mighty sound, shattered and scattered pieces all around. The townsfolk came with worry and care to help poor Humpty lying there. Oh Humpty, they said your fall was great, but we'll rebuild, it's not too late. Piece by piece we'll make you whole, we'll mend your shell, restore your soul. Rising again they worked all day, fixing Humpty every way. The king's own horses, the king's own men said, Humpty, you'll be whole again. When he stood, he smiled with pride, my friends are my strength, my trusted guide. The wall's not the only place to dream, life's a journey or so it seems. Humpty Dumpty, so brave, so strong, finding his place where he belongs. With every crack, a story's told, of dreams rebuilt, of hearts made bold. New horizons, how Humpty travels far, and why he's left the wall with friends as his guide. He paints the skies with colors so bright, sharing his dreams in the day and night. The sparrow flies close, the horse rides too. Together they find adventures new, through forests deep and mountains tall. Humpty discovers a world has it all. A fall's not the end, he says with cheer. It's a chance to grow, to face your fear. For every crack, a lesson's learned, and every dream can be returned. Sharing his tale, now children gather to hear his tale of courage, hope, and how to prevail. Humpty Dumpty, once broken apart, now shares his wisdom straight from the heart. Dream big, he says, but don't forget, life's about balance, no need to fret. And when you fall, as we all do, rise again, you'll make it through.